What's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. We got a special day today. We're at OSW, we're at the track, we're gonna shred, but I have never seen the line this long ever before. We're not even in the gate. Either way, I'll catch up with y'all once we get in the gate. All right, y'all, we're all set up. We teched, driver's meeting. Now we're just chilling and waiting. We got a spot next to Ryan. He's chilling. He just did a sick series on his turbo build, so go check that shit out. Dude, that was a lot, man. Let's go. Whip, that was wild, and took our first ride along today, so that was fun. What a day, guys. It was a success. We did ride-alongs for the first time. We did spin out, but the car held up, didn't give us any trouble. Maybe next time I won't tow it, but there was still some rubbing with the steering, so I don't know. We'll need to figure that out, but I hope y'all have fun, because I sure did. Catch you on the next one, fam. Peace.